Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP Cloud Platform Integration Question and Answers. Does SAP CPI supports hybrid integration scenarios? Answer yes. SAP CPI supports hybrid integration scenarios where some systems or applications are located on premises while others are in the cloud. SAP CPI provides capabilities such as secure connectivity options. Example, SAP Cloud Connector adapters for on-premises systems and integration partner suitable for hybrid environments. What options does SAP CPI offer for real-time monitoring and reporting? Answer. SAP CPI offers real-time monitoring capabilities through its web-based administration console, where users can monitor integration flow executions, track messages processing status, view performance metrics, and generate custom reports. Additionally, SAP CPI integrates with SAP Solution Manager for advanced monitoring and reporting. Can SAP CPI be used for EDI, electronic data interchange integration? Answer. Yes, SAP CPI supports EDI integration by providing pre-built connect for common EDI stands such as ANSI X12, EDIFACT, and protocols such as AS2 SFTP. Users can configure EDI specific settings, mappings, and acknowledgements within integration flows to enable seamless EDI integration with trading partners. How does SAP CPI handle message transformation between different communication protocols and data formats? Answer. SAP CPI provides protocols, conversion and data mapping capabilities to handle message transformation between different communication protocols such as HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SFTP, AS2, and data formats such as XML, JSON, flat file. Users can define conversion logic and mapping within integration flows using graphical mapping tools. Is there support for API management and API integration in SAP CPI? Answer. Yes, SAP CPI offer API management capabilities for designing, publishing and managing APIs. Users can create API proxies, define API policies, perform versioning and lifecycle management, and analyze API usage and performance. Additionally, SAP CPI provides features for integrating with external APIs and exploring SAP CPI integration artifacts as APIs. How does SAP CPI handle data security and compliancy requirements? Answer. SAP CPI ensure data security on compliance with industry regulations through various measures such as data encryption, access control, adult logging, and compliancy certification. Example, GDPR, HIPAA, SOC. Users can configure security setting, encrypt sensitive data, and monitor access and usage to maintain data integrity and confidently. Can SAP CPI be integrated with custom applications and legacy systems? Answer. Yes, SAP CPI can be integrated with custom applications and legacy systems using custom adapters, web services, or other integration protocols such as REST SOAP. Users can develop custom integration solutions or leverage extending connectors and protocols to integrate SAP CPI with a wide range of systems and applications. How does SAP CPI handle message, routine, and processing based on business rules? Answer. SAP CPI allows users to define messages routine and processing logic based on business rules using conditional routine, content based routine, and message enrichment capabilities. Users can configure rules and conditions within integration flow to rotate messages to different endpoints, apply transformations, and trigger specific actions based on message content. Does SAP CPI provide support for message querying and asynchronous processing? Answer. Yes, SAP CPI supports message querying and asynchronous processing by allowing users to decouple senders and received system through message queries. Users can configure integration flows to send messages to queries for asynchronous processing, enabling better scalability and fault tolerance in integration scenarios. Can SAP CPI be used for event-driven integration? Answer. Yes, SAP CPI supports event-driven integration by allowing users to subscribe to events and trigger integration flows based on event notifications. Users can configure event listeners and handlers within integration flows to react to specify events generated by source systems or external applications. What option does SAP CPI offer for errors handling and retry mechanisms? Answer. SAP CPI provides built-in error handling features such as automatic retires, dead letters queries, and error notifications. Users can configure retire policies, specify retire intervals, and define escalations action to handle errors and equiptations gracefully within integration flows. Is there support for data validation and schema validation in SAP CPI? Answer. Yes. SAP CPI offers data validation and schema validation capabilities to ensure data integrity and compliance with predefined data structure and formats. Users can define validation rules, perform schema validation against XML or JSON schemas, and handle validation errors within integration flows. How does SAP CPI handle long-running integration process and transactions? Answer. SAP CPI supports long-running integration process and transactions through its supports for stateful processing, durable messaging, and distributed transactions. Users can design integration flows that span multiple steps and interact with external systems asynchronously, ensuring transactional consistency and reliability. Can SAP CPI be integrated with SAP's on-premises middleware solution such as SAP NetWeaver PIPO? Answer. Yes, SAP CPI can be integrated with SAP's on-premises middleware solution such as SAP NetWeaver Process Integration or Process Orchestration. Users can configure adapters and communication channels to establish secure connectivity between SAP CPI and on-premises systems, enabling hybrid integration scenarios. Does SAP CPI provide support for message transformation using extensible style sheet language transformation? Answer: S. SAP CPI supports message transformation using XSLT, which allows users to apply complex transformations and manipulations to XML based messages within integration flows. Users can write custom XSLT style sheets or leverage pre-built XSLT mapping functions to transform message payloads as needed. How does SAP CPI handle message routine and load balancing across multiple endpoints? Answer: SAP CPI provides dynamic routine and load balancing capabilities to distribute messages across multiple endpoints or backend systems. Users can configure routine used based on message content, endpoint availability, or predefined. How does SAP CPI handle message routine and load balancing across multiple endpoints? Answer: SAP CPI provides dynamic routine and load balancing capabilities to distribute messages across multiple endpoints or backend systems. Users can configure routine rules based on message content, endpoint availability, or predefined criteria to ensure optimal message distribution and workload balancing. Is there support for message achieving and retention policies in SAP CPI? Answer: Yes. SAP CPI offers message achieving and retention features to store and manage message data according to predefined retention policies. Users can configure achieving rules, specific stores locations, and define retention periods to comply with data retention requirements and regularity standards. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.